For the methodology, the study design that we chose is cross-sectional study. Our study populations are all UKM-SCAL students, and the samples are FSK UKM students. The sampling method that we use is random sampling method. For the inclusion criteria, the subject must be ages between 19 until 40 years old, and they use digits for at least 1 hour per day. Subject who undergoes any eye surgery within 1 year, who undergoes vision therapy, and subject with pre-existing eye disease will be excluded from our study. The study instrument that we use is the questionnaire. A self-administered questionnaire was prepared after reviewing the articles available on computer vision syndrome. The questionnaire includes the social demographic data, symptoms of computer vision syndrome, personal factors, and computer and environmental variables. The questionnaire was edited for easy understanding by the respondents. The symptoms of CVS are presence of burning, itching, feeling of a foreign body, tearing, excessive blinking, eye redness, eye pain, heavy eyelid, dryness, blurred vision, double vision, difficulty focusing for near vision, increased sensitivity to light, color halos around objects, feeling that sight is worsening, and headache were assessed. The participants were asked about the presence of the above symptoms when using the computer. And then, the total score was calculated by using the formula sum of frequency of symptom occurrence times the intensity of the symptoms. A total score of more than 6 points was considered to suffer computer vision syndrome. This is the questionnaire that we designed to collect the data from the respondents. Our data will be analyzed using the SPSS software. The descriptive data was presented as percentage or as mean plus minus standard deviation. The dependent variable in this study was presence of computer vision syndrome. Significance of association was tested using chi-square for categorical variables and t-test for continuous variable.
For the plan for analysis of result, we are using chi-square test to determine the prevalence of computer vision syndrome and its risk factors among FSK UKM students. We will calculate the percentage to determine the number of complaints of CVS symptoms and to find out the relationship between CVS and walking distance from computer screen to eyes. Moreover, we were using the same method, which is calculate the percentage to determine the association between CVS and sitting posture, the number of hours spending on computers and frequency of break while using computer, and also to determine the usage of screen filters and adjustment of screen brightness, and lastly, to investigate the effect of uncorrected vision problems on CVS. For the research procedure, first, we are going to distribute the questionnaire to FSK UKM students. Then, we will collect back the questionnaire and check for the inclusion and exclusion criteria. We will select the qualified questionnaire and collect the data. We are going to use SPSS to analyze the data and discuss with our research supervisor. Lastly, we are going to document, analyze, and make final conclusion about the result. For the work plan provides us guidance so that we are always on a right path and make sure that we will finish this research on time.
These are the references used to write the literature review.
Okay, so for the estimated budget, we estimated we will print out 100 copies of survey form, which cost 50 ringgit. And we will also print a hard copy of proposal, which estimated will cost 5 ringgit. So a subtotal of 55 ringgit Malaysia is estimated as our expenses. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all enjoy it.